Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve the problem convert a sorted list to binary search tree. So this problem got asked in Facebook and Microsoft interviews, and it's like very good problem in terms of you should have knowledge of two data structure. One is linked list, another is binary tree, and binary search tree is a special binary tree. So where in binary search tree what it happened, it follows that like every key on the root node is greater than or equals to all the nodes values in the left subtree. So this is our left subtree, and the right and less than or equals to so all the right subtree nodes. So this is less than and it is greater than or equal to like this, and this is followed by every node when going from root to the all leaf. So this is very famous data structure, and there are lots of different interview problems. If you are new, you're learning binary search tree now, you can solve other problem like insert search, delete a node in binary search tree from the playlist on my channel. And if you have any question, you can ask to me. So let's solve this problem. How we will solve this problem? So for solving this problem, if this instead of linked list, we can, if instead of linked list this is given as an array, so there is another problem on LeetCode itself which is 108, number 108. You can search that and solve that as well, but I will cover that solution later. So before that, if it is array, then we can easily find out the middle element by using the index, but it is not. So we need to use another problem which is the middle of the list. So first what we will do, from the head node we start 2 pointer and find out the middle of this list. So how we will find out the middle of list? We can find out middle of list using the 2 pointer. We start 1 pointer slow as from here, and similarly another pointer fast from here, and fast pointer we will move the 2 node ahead next, and slow pointer we will move to the 1 pointer only, one next, every iteration 1 point. As soon as our fast reach to the end of the list, like null, either the fast null or the fast dot null, then the our slow pointer will be on the middle of the list. So for this, if we go through it, slow is here initially and fast is also here. Then in the first iteration, slow will go over here and fast will be over here. In the second iteration, slow will come over here in this node and fast will be over here. Then after that, our loop will terminate because fast dot next is null over here. So now we know the middle of the list. So as we already defined, like binary search tree, left subtree will have all the node which are less than or equals to the root node, and the right subtree all the nodes which are greater than or equal to the root node, and we need to form the valence binary search tree. So what we, in case of valence, we need to maintain the height difference from for every node is the 1 only. So height difference of the left subtree and the left height and the right height is 1. So that is the case, we will take the middle node first as a root of our subtree. So we will take this 0 as our first root node. Then we will call the root dot left by the same method by passing, this is head node is still over here and the slow is here. So from the slow dot next, so the second half list is at the slow dot next is the slow dot next. But before that, we also need to break this link. We also need to break this this link, as this link we are already breaking by slow dot next, but we need to break this as well, otherwise this node come again from this first half list. So for that, we will also maintain a previous node initialize from the null, and every time the next step when we proceed, we will assign previous to the previous slow, and the previous will be over here. Then we will make, if previous is not null, we break this link previous dot next, so that this node which we already use for the root will no longer be attached with any of the list, like first half and the second half. Once we done, same thing we will iterate over here, like finding the middle of the list. So we start slow and fast from here. This time this will be our slow next, slow node. So we will, this is basically our middle. Then we assign like 3 over here, and then we again do the same thing, and this is what our tree will become. Like this is the left subtree is complete. Similarly we will do for the right subtree, and for the right, this will be our next slow, and this 5 will be keep it like here. So we will first add 9 over here, then we will call the left here and this will be the 5 over here. So, this is the one of the balanced binary search tree constructed from this given sorted linked list. So, you can pause the video now and try to code yourself. So, here is a code template which I have written. So, this is the method is used to find out the middle of the list and also break it. So, by using, as I explained, slow, fast and previous pointer, and we are just running until the fast is not null or fast.x is null, and if previous is not null, we are breaking the link from the first node to the middle node, and then we are returning slow as a middle node. Once we got the middle node, by calling this method, we create a root node, and the condition of our this recursive sorted list VST is when there is only single node in our list, which means that node is the root of that subtree. So, if it is equals, we will just return root over here, otherwise we will call recursively for building the left subtree and the right subtree. So, what is the time complexity of this solution? As you can see, for every time we are running a loop. So, initially for finding the middle of the list, we will iterate our, if we have total n node, we will go through is n by 2, then we will get 2 list of n by 2. So, this will become plus 2 of n by, basically this is 2 of n by 2. Initially, first call we will get 1 into n by 2 because the fast is running as a 2 speed. Second, we got 2 into n by 4 plus continue, this will go, and if we sum them up, this will become summation of some I from 0 to let us say some m, and this will be 2 raised power I minus 1 into n2 by 2 raised power I. So, this is our summation, and how many steps this will go? At this will be, if we take this m will be log of n. So, there are log of n steps, this depth of our tree will be log of n, as we are trying to make it balanced binary search tree. So, if we open this solution, this will become O of n log n. Basically, this is nothing but is similar to the, as we do the merge sort. First we divide our sort into the merge, divide by 2, like divide and conquer paradigm, and that will give us log of n steps, and every steps we need to merge, that takes n. So, every n log n step take n to merge. So, that is why it is n log n. Similarly, that is a n log n. So, this is the one solution, and it is very good solution, and interviewer may ask you to, can you do further optimization by doing some hackies kind of solution. So, as I already gave a hint, there is a direct problem where the given is a sorted array instead of linked list. So, in array, if this is a array, let us say this, if I convert this into the array, then we can easily access the middle by the just index, middle index, like the leftmost index is initially 0 and the length of our array will be here 5, and the 5 minus 1 is 4, index of this last element 4. The middle will be this element, we can easily get, and then take this element, make our root, then we will call the left by passing the, initially this is L and this is R rightmost. So, this L will be same and R of this will become mid minus 1, and this the right of this left subtree will become mid minus 1, and left of right subtree will become mid plus 1. So, like that we keep recursively build our tree, like left subtree, right subtree and so on. Once L cross R, we will break. So, this is our breaking condition. This is again another idea of like us, we do the divide and conquer, like dividing this sorted array and building our recursively our tree. So, here is the snippet, code snippet for first creating the list. So, in Java I am creating an array list so that we can also access this, because we do not know the number of node in our linked list already in our sorted linked list. So, that is the good to use array list over here, and this is like I use the for loop to iterate the list. This is another way you can iterate through over the list. Generally people iterate using the while loop. So, you should know this as well, we can do that as well. Like it is not always for loop used for the primitive data type, you can use for any data type, class, object, reference as well. So, as I already give you hint how we will do, now you can pause the video and try to code yourself. So, let me just again give you more idea. So, this will be our root node again, and we will keep this here again we find out the mid, this become minus 10, then we will update this minus 3, and here this will become 5 and this will become right of 9. So, this is again, so let us need to just implement the recursive call function. So I have already written down this. So first we created a linked list. Now we will just return create BBST, or let's say DFS, just run DFS. So here we will pass the list of integer, here we just need to pass the list and the starting 0, and the list dot size -1 is our rightmost index. Then we write a helper method which is, let's say here, returning tree node, and it's called DFS. We are getting a integer list and the index left and index r. Once we got this, base case is if L cross R, just return what you have to return, null over here. Once is done, first we will get the mid, int mid is our. So you can do this way as well, but there are boundary is very small, so we can do just L plus R by 2 as well, but let's do this so that we can stop the integer overflow. Once we done, we create a root node first, tree node root, which is new tree node of the value at that index. So list dot get at mid. Once we got this, we do root dot left is called DFS by passing list, L is same, and the right of this left subtree will become mid -1. Similarly, we will call root dot right subtree for right DFS list dot, this will become mid +1 comma r. Once it done, in the end we just return after building all full tree, root is our. So let's compile the code quickly. So looks like code is compiled, but it's, though this looks like a different answer, but if we can see 0 has the, so there is a another way we can validate whether this is a height valence search tree or not. I am not sure whether we have here that tree constructor tool of LeetCode. No, it's not here. So but generally they print like level order traversal. So 0 has two root, like -10 on the left, 5 on the right, then -10 has null on the left and -3 on the right, because -3 is greater than -10, so it is on right is correct. Similarly, 5 is left is null and the right is 9. So this is also a valence search binary search tree. Now we can submit this code, and this code is got accepted. Now what will be the time complexity of this solution? So as you can see, we are just iterating this whole list once if we have n nodes, so which is O of n. Similarly here for building the tree is also O of n. So O of n plus n, which is O of 2n, nothing but in terms of big O, which is O of n. And similarly, space complexity is also O of n, as we are storing all the values in our linked list. So space is also same O of n. So if you like this solution, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and try to solve the other problems of binary search tree. Check the compiled list from my playlist of BST. Thanks for watching.